In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a relationship status on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page, and then tap at Edit Profile. Then scroll down until you find Details, tap at Edit, and that's where we need to scroll down until we find Relationship. Tap at that button and then you will be taken to that screen where you can set any relationship status, and also you can select a partner. For married, obviously. You can just enter someone's name. The user must be at your friends. Then tap on it. Also, we can add a year. And then also we can set a privacy for that information. By default, on my account it is set to only me. However, we can change it to public, friends, and only me. Also, we are able to add month and day. Once you are done with that, tap at Save to save the changes. After that, tap at Save again. And then, if we go back to our profile and tap at See About Your Info, we can easily find that relationship status here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.